wonderful career, congratulations. Plus the fact that you've been married for 30 years, with this, I mean, those are two major,
the saint. My husband's the saint there.
huge accomplishments. If you could call the young lady that was traveling from Cleveland to New Orleans and trying to figure out what the hell she wanted to do with her life, if you could call her now, knowing what you know, what would you tell her?
I would tell her to maybe believe in yourself a little bit more. I stepped out there, but I probably could have stepped out a little bit more.
Okay.
And to just really go for it, and to not have that self-doubt that maybe you're not good enough, and to really kind of push forward. And I was really fortunate. I had my husband helping me with those doubts that I had as that young person, and he was my biggest fan throughout my entire career. And I owe him a debt of gratitude, because he was the one that kept pushing me, and other mentors that I had in the organization that gave me the tough love that I needed when maybe I didn't really want it, and I didn't maybe understand at the time, but it kind of jolted me out of whatever it was I might have been thinking at that particular time, and helped me move to the next place.
Tough love and limited brands. I've heard those terms put together a few times.
Yeah, I had this is a true story. There was somebody at that I knew at L Brands that told me at one point in time that I could never do more because I wasn't tough enough.
Oof.
And I really kind of like stuck with me about, like, what does that mean? Do I have to be tough to be successful? And I remember somewhat recently, I reconnected with this person, and I shared a bit of feedback. And this person shared with me, they said, I only told that to people that I thought could do something with that feedback. I wouldn't tell them if somebody wasn't, that I didn't really care about in terms of them, succeeding in their career. So I appreciate it. I wish I had known that about 15, 20 years ago, but anyway, it was nice to hear.
Last question. If you had to put your core purpose in life now, at this stage, at this age, if you had to define your core purpose and put it into a sentence, what do you think that would be? What would it sound like?
I would say pay it forward and leave where you are, the organization you're a part of, leave this place a better place than you found it.